I'm sure you've heard the news. Iceland's landscapes are wild, but did you know there's a meadow where GPS signals go haywire? Let's pull back the curtain on this eerie phenomenon. In the shadow of Mount Hekla, there's a field where GPS units drift off course thanks to magnetic basalt hidden below. Even pilots and hikers have reported strange compass swings here. Locals whisper it's the work of the elves, keeping secrets safe. Makes you wonder what else on Earth is quietly rewriting the rules.